everybody, how are you doing? I have been so busy. I'm so sorry I haven't been coming on here making the videos like I want to, because I haven't really been home. I've been busy doing other things. Well, I've been home, I guess. I just haven't had a chance to do the videos like I want. But I've been going on dates. I've met somebody and we have been hanging out and talking all the time, and I'm really excited about this. Getting to know you. And so we've just been hanging out and everything. We're going to hang out later today. And so in this video, I'm going to show you some of the stuff I've been doing that's been keeping me so busy. One of them is my countertop here. As you guys can see, it's all nice and pretty now. Well, it wasn't looking this great earlier this week. And I still have another side of the counter to do. And I had to take some Goo Gone and Goof Off and all this stuff to get all that sticky adhesive. And then there's Crazy Glue, I think, on here, or either some type of adhesive that's I'm still having trouble getting off, but I'm going to work on that because I want my countertops back. So that's one of the projects I've been doing. You guys, I've started a project. The project is taking this garbage off of my countertop here so I can get it back to the color, the original countertop, get the original countertop back. Then I'm going to do a design on the countertop. Maybe I may just leave it this way if I can get it clean good, and then maybe get a good coating or something. But this is the process right now. I'm just pulling all the marble type cover off and going for the old beige. All right, you guys, I've almost got this full counter done. I just got that little piece back there to get off, and then I'll start scrubbing and cleaning and making this look like brand new. And then tomorrow I'll tackle the other side. I got all of that stuff off, and now here's the countertop. I think I'm going to leave it. And I still have a few spots where there was actual glue, not the adhesive, but actual glue around the sides. That's a little more difficult to get off, but it's looking good. That's all I can say, and I think I'm going to just let it be and change the decor in the kitchen. But I think I'm going to keep my countertops the way they are, just like that. And this is what I wore for my date out, my first date out with him. And we went to Belle Isle because we're both from Detroit, and we just went out there and rode around the island and caught some things that we remember as a kid. The big slide was there. And it was just really nice, and the island was really beautiful, and it was quiet, and you could see people walking, people just sitting there relaxing. We caught a wedding shoot that some people were doing a wedding shoot out there. And walked around at the park, and then went and got something to eat, and then we headed to Belle Isle. So that was a wonderful date. It lasted for 7 hours, and it was lovely. We had a great time, and I enjoyed talking. I love his voice. We talk a lot. We have a lot in common, and while we were driving around, we were listening to music, which was so nice. It was really the best date ever for me. got my bed. I ordered a bed that I wanted that had the drawers in the bottom and has the plug in, the USB cord that you can put on your bed and charge your phone up while you're sleeping or whatever. So I got that and I put that together. That was another 7 hours that I had to put that thing together. And the sheet that comes with it, the instruction sheet, they had parts that weren't on there listed, and so I was having a hard time trying to figure out what did they want me to put on here, and then parts labeled that was the wrong part, and so I had to figure that out. But I put it together with no errors. I didn't have to take anything apart once I put it on, and everything flowed good. So that was the events that I've been doing that has been keeping me extremely busy. And oh, and I didn't tell you guys, I went to my doctor Thursday and she said everything looks good. She wants me to walk more. She wants me to get out and walk more. So I've been trying to do that, but as much work as I've been doing around the house, I think that's like walking. Because yesterday, 7 hours putting together something, that was a long time. But anyway, that's what I have been up to. So you guys, I love you so much, and I'm gonna be coming back with some great content. It's just this week and the next week it's going to be really busy. My niece and her kids are here, and I'm going to be watching them one day. I'm going to babysit. So I'm going to just really be busy for the next few days, but I'll try and get a video in here and there, and until it calms down a little bit, you know. But you guys, I love you so much. Take care of yourselves. If you like the video, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.